Okay. Blend now. We can put our corned beef in can. There you go. There you go. Yan, you see? Yummy, yummy. Okay, let's put our corned beef and then next is hot dog. That's why I don't put too much, what's that? Too much corned beef, ground beef, because I have a lot of things to put in here. Oh, hi. There you go. Okay. Okay, here. And you know what? I still have hot dogs to put in here. Okay. Yay. And then I'm gonna put some hot dogs. This is our Filipino spaghetti. You put some hot dog. It's interesting, right? It's ground beef, corned beef in can, and then hot dog. That's how we cook our spaghetti sauce. Okay. That's gonna be delicious. Look at that. Yeah. Yay, look at that. It's so yummy. And you know what? We're gonna put some ketchup too. That is our spaghetti. Okay, now it's cooked. We're gonna put our spaghetti sauce. Yes, spaghetti sauce.